3 to 4 months. 9 to 10 months. Is Varsing 9 to 10 months.
He is Varis Singh Kang and the age is 9 to 10 months. Yes.
Now, I will discuss about aspects of growth. It includes biological growth, motor growth, and sensory growth. First is biological growth. Biological growth means increase in length, height, weight, chest circumference, and head circumference. Now, second point is motor growth. Motor growth means increase in thinking and movements of the child. For example, walking, running, etc. It includes gross motor skill and fine motor skill. Now, third point is sensory growth. Sensory growth includes neurosensory part. For example, vision, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. Now, I will discuss about aspects of development, which include intellectual, moral, psychosocial, spiritual, psychosexual, and emotional. Now, I will next, my classmate discuss about next topic.
Now I'm explaining about anthropometric measurement. Anthropometric measurement is a quantitative measurement of a human body to assess the nutrition status. It includes length, height, weight, head circumference, chest circumference, and mid-arm circumference. Length and height. Length is a measurement of the child from head to heel when a child in a sitting position is usually under 2 years of age, and the length is measured by the infantometer. And next is height. Height is a measurement of the child body from head to heel when a patient in an upright position, and height is measured by the stadiometer. During first 6 months, height is increasing about 2.5 centimeter per month, and next 6 months height is about increasing 2.5 centimeter per month, and 75 centimeter height is increasing in a 1 year, and 85 centimeter of height is increasing in a 2 years of age, and 94 centimeter height is increasing in 3 years of age. 100 to 200 centimeter height is increasing in a 4 years of age, and 150 centimeter height is increasing in a 13 years of age. Height estimating formula is equal to age in a year into 6 plus 75 centimeters.
That's good.
100 to 102 centimeter height is increasing in the 4 years of age. One year of age is height is 75 centimeter. In a 2 years of age, height is 85 centimeter. In a 3 years of age, height is 94 centimeter. In a 4 years of age, height is 100 to 200 centimeter. In 13 years of age, height is 150 centimeter. Height estimated formula is equal to age in a year into 6 plus 75 centimeter. Next is
calculate करके है. Whatever is the example, you have to calculate from.
Next is weight. Normal newborn weight at birth is 2.5 to 3.5 kg. Newborn loses 10% weight of a birth weight during first week of a life. During first to 5 to 6 months of life, weight is increasing 30 gram per day. During next 6 to 12 months, weight is increasing 15 gram per day. Infant's birth weight doubles in a 5 to 6 months, triple in a year, 4 times in a 2 years, and 5 times in a 3 year, and 10 times in a 10 year. Next is BMI. BMI is the body mass index. It is an important. Now BMI is equal to weight in a gram upon height in a meter square. At less than 18.5 gram, BMI is considered to be underweight and 18 is considered to be overweight. And if BMI is 30 or greater than 30 is considered to obesity. Now, next is head circumference. Head circumference is measured for children to assess the growth and development. Firstly, at the birth, normal size of head circumference is between 33 to 35 centimeter. Rate of increasing head circumference in the first 3 months is 2 centimeter per month. In 4 to 6 months is 1 centimeter per month, and in 6 to 12 months is 0.5 centimeter per month. Head circumference is measured by ordinary inch tape. Next is mid-upper arm circumference. Is used to assess the nutrition status of the younger children. Normal is equal to 21 to 12 centimeter. At 1 year of age, upper arm circumference is 12 to 16 centimeter. At 1 to 5 year, mid-arm circumference is to 16 to 17 centimeter. At 12 year, mid-arm circumference is 17 to 18 year, and in a 15 year, mid-arm circumference is to be 20 to 21 centimeter. Next is chest circumference. Chest circumference is used to assess the nutrition status and the growth and development. Firstly, at birth, its normal value is 30 to 33 centimeter. At the 1 year is 45 centimeter. After the first year of age, the head circumference is greater than the head circumference, enhanced by 2.5 centimeter by the age of the 5 years. It's about 5 centimeter larger than the head circumference. It's time to question. At which age the weight of a baby gets double?
Previous slide. पहली slide पर दो. दोबारा बोलो ये क्या है? Adding करो. शिवानी बोल दीजिए. आप बोलो शिवानी.
Chest circumference of newborn baby, that is at birth chest circumference is 30 to 33.
सही से बोलो.
Circumference
You also learn how to speak it. Okay? Pronunciation should be very clear. At least of the presenter. Presenter should speak correct words. It's circumference.
chest circumference, that is at the time of the birth, 32-33 centimeter. After that, at the age of 1 year, it is 45 centimeter. In this main particular special points in the chest circumference, at the age of 1 year of age, chest circumference is greater than the head circumference, that is 2.5 centimeter. And by the age of 5 years, it is about 5 centimeter larger than the head circumference. It is main important point at the age of 1 year, chest and head circumference is equal. There is one question for the audience. At which age the weight of the baby get doubles? Under options are option A 5 months, second option 2 months, then 1 year, then the fourth option 2 years. Audience, please the answer of this question. One student, please stand up and then answer the question. GNM second year. That is option A at the age of 5 months. Next are the milestones of the growth and growth. Next are students of the BSc 5th semester perform anthropometric measurement on the child.
Now we are going to perform the procedure of anthropometric measurement. Anthropometric measurement include weight, height, head circumference, chest circumference, mid-arm circumference. The article required for the measurement are weighing machine to measure the weight of the child, weighing scale to measure the weight of the infant, stadiometer to measure the height of the child, measuring tape to measure the head circumference, chest circumference, mid-arm circumference. Now we will perform a procedure on a child. The child name is Sargun Kaur. She is 7 years old. She is school age child. Now we are going to assess the 20 kilograms. Now we are going to assess the height of the child. For assessing height, the child should stand straight. Her head, shoulder blades, buttocks and heel touch the stadiometer at back. The height of the child is 123 centimeters. Now we are going to assess the head circumference of the child. For assessing head circumference, the child should sit upright. The head circumference of the child is 21 centimeter. Now we are going to assess the mid-arm circumference of the child. For assessing mid-arm circumference, the child should bend the arm at 90-degree angle, then locate the measuring tape at acromion process and then to the olecrayon process, and then divide it into half and then measure the mark point. The mid-arm circumference of the child is 8 centimeter. Now we are going to assess the chest circumference of the child.
How much it should be?
8 to 10 centimeters. It is normal in her age group. Now we are going to assess the chest circumference of the child. For assessing chest circumference, we place the measuring tape at the mid-sternum point because from there it doesn't slip. The chest circumference of the child is 22 centimeter, which is normal, and the BMI of the child is 17.3. The formula for assessing the body mass index is